Welcome to the show. Today's guest is a market leader who is here to share some invaluable knowledge that you just can't get anywhere else. Let's face it, when you need some help and you're looking for the right professional, you really need to know what questions to ask. Today's expert will give you some great insight to help you make the best decision in no time.
Finding the right pool company to build your swimming pool can be a daunting task. I'm often asked what makes one pool builder better than another and how to select the right one for your project. Here are a few tips I give folks who may be looking for a swimming pool contractor. Tip 1, look for companies that are actively building pools, posting photos on social media and their website, and have a strong portfolio of recent builds for you to look at. Avoid the discount pool builders who lead on price. If a builder is bidding 10 to 15% less than others, they're cutting corners somewhere, and you might not know it until after the warranty has run out. Generally, you may want to steer clear of those who build just a handful of pools a year, and while the mega pool builders have some advantages, you may struggle to find a consistent point of contact or just get lost in the shuffle. I recommend finding a pool builder where you will work directly with the owner or partner so that when things happen, and they will, they always do, you're dealing directly with the decision maker from the start. Tip number 2, make sure your pool builder uses the latest in technology and knows how it operates. Today's pools can be very energy efficient, which saves you money, but simply installing equipment won't make the savings a reality. A pool professional needs to understand how to use the technology correctly, from installation to programming and scheduling. I'm often surprised to see great equipment incorrectly programmed when I visit a pool we didn't build. Today's pools should be automated, controlled from your mobile phone, have color-changing LED lights, and variable speed pumps at a minimum. My last tip, look for a pool builder that's full service, or you're going to end up hiring a number of additional contractors to fix the fence, retrofit your sprinkler system, replace the grass, or do the landscaping. You might even end up needing to hire a separate contractor for things like a fire pit, a pergola, or an outdoor kitchen if you decide on a pool contractor that can't provide those things. At Edgewater Pools, we specialize in building custom gunite or concrete in-ground pools. We've got over 25 years of experience in the industry and build pools all over Greater Austin. If you want to learn more, visit us at our website or please call me directly at the number on the screen. We're a full-service, end-to-end pool builder and can help your pool project become a reality.
There you go. Pretty impressive, isn't it? With the right professional, your search will be quick and easy. Would you like to learn more? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.